Hi guys, a huge welcome back to my channel, and I have some very exciting news to share with you today. I have listed my first digital kit in my Etsy store, and I just wanted to show it to you before I start making some videos. I've just printed out the pages here, and I'm going to do some videos on the embellishments that I do, and then I'll obviously do a normal flip through video. If you've seen my previous video, you'll see the sari silks and Indian fabrics that I'm going to use in this journal, and this is what inspired me to create this digital kit. All these beautiful fabrics and things that everyone is using at the moment, I thought it would lend itself great to this type of style. So all I'm going to do is just show you some of the quick pages. It's an Indian goddess theme. There's lots of flowers, mandala type of images, and then these beautiful goddess images that are in some of the pages. I think Indy's going to come and say hello. So I'll just do a quick show of all of the pages. There's lots of space for journaling. The colours are beautiful as well, so there's blues, pinks, and then some quite subtle patterns like this, and I've just printed them on normal paper here. Some duplicates because I've printed them ready for when I do my kit. So there's some quite neutral pages as well. I'm just checking because some of them I have printed double-sided. So like this one's double-sided. So this is my first ever kit that I've listed in my Etsy store, so I was super excited. There we go. That's another one as well, just single-sided. And what I am going to do is, when I was doing the kit, I printed, well, I've actually got a huge stack of like misprints, and you know, when I was just trying out the designs and stuff, so I'm going to try and use some scraps because those are really just scraps. So I'll try and do some videos on those because I know that we get a lot of kits left over and stuff, so I'll try and use that. This is a tea stain paper. It wasn't quite an A4 size paper, that's why the line isn't in the middle, so I'll have to fold it there and have one page shorter, but that's fine. I like that. So that's tea stain, so you can see it lends really well to tea stained paper. I'll show you. So that was the same page, so it prints out a little bit less colour, but it's still really nice. And I printed this on like some note pages. I just love the Taj Mahal and everything of these type of images, so they're very, this bit of a tea staining mistake. I didn't mean to print it double-sided, so I'm going to have to try and cover that up when I make the journal, but it all adds to it. Again, this is a misprint, so I'll just stick some ribbon and things. So those are the pages, and then there's some embellishments with the kit as well. So two corner pockets, sorry. There's two envelopes, so that's the first envelope, and I have actually printed it large. This I'm going to put in the middle of my signatures, I think, so I haven't actually glued that down yet. Then there's a page of two belly bands and then a pocket. That could be used for, you could cut that into a tag. There's loads of different uses that you could do with that. So cut it into a tag, or you can use it as a pocket as it's intended. That's the same envelope there, isn't it? And another top loading pocket. The second envelope looks like this. So this one I've just printed out a little bit smaller. So I cut it up this morning just to make sure it cuts really nice. And then there are some journaling cards, which again I've already cut out. So there's 4 journaling cards that are in this style, and I've just printed these on super smooth card. So I've distressed this centre bit here, so I hope you can see that. There's 2 blue ones and 2 peachy pinky tones, and I've just printed them onto normal card. And then these are printed onto paper, but I will back them onto card as well. So those are lovely. I think these are just, yeah, these are just duplicates that I had throughout the, you know, making and test printing and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to share this kit with you. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I hope you'll check out my store and just consider using it with all of your Indian fabrics like me. So I'm going to use, this is going to be my cover. Then I've got just lots of snippets and things in here of sari silks and embroidered fabrics and things that I'm going to use. So super excited. Do subscribe to my channel so you can see what I make with this kit. But thank you so much. Bye.